Want to supercharge your Substack growth and attract floods of new subscribers? Today, we're diving deep into creating irresistible lead magnets that turn curious visitors into dedicated readers. Your lead magnet is your ultimate freebie, the tempting offer that makes people eager to hit that subscribe button. Think of it as your digital handshake, a valuable exchange for their email address. But where do you even start? Let's break it down. Step 1 is understanding your audience. What are their biggest pain points? What questions do they constantly ask? What kind of exclusive insights would truly delight them? Brainstorm ideas that directly address these needs and align with your newsletter's core theme. Now, let's talk format. Your lead magnet can take many forms. Consider a concise, actionable PDF guide, a checklist that simplifies a complex process, a short video tutorial, a template they can use immediately, or even a curated list of resources. The key is that it provides instant value. Once you have your brilliant lead magnet ready, it's time to integrate it with Substack. Navigate to your newsletter settings and look for the subscription or sign-up options here. You'll be able to set up your offer and link it directly to your email list, ensuring new subscribers automatically receive it. Step 4 is crafting your compelling offer description. This is your sales pitch for the freebie. Clearly state what the subscriber will gain. Use strong, benefit-driven language to highlight the value and make it impossible to resist. Think, unlock insider tips, or get your step-by-step plan. Finally, it's time to promote. Share your lead magnet across all your platforms, social media, your website, even in guest posts. Make it your primary call to action for anyone interested in your expertise. Consistently promoting your lead magnet is how you'll consistently grow that valuable email list.